She says formal. You do formal. I'm Javier, this is Best at Sea, and I'm glad to see you. Today was a day at sea. We enjoyed the pools pretty much all day. Now it's elegant night. We have a nice dinner and a couple shows. Check it out. But first, let's take some pictures. We're all looking pretty good. Look at that family right there. We're standing in line near center stage where this Rolls Royce is at. And there's a family that took about 15 minutes in front of us. Get in line early or you'll be late for dinner. We did the photos, now dinner. And we're making our way back to our table over there by the wake of the ship. I love it. It's great. Salad.
Yes.
It's just green.
With basil and avocado.
Linguine Alfredo appetizer. Some shrimp. Of course, I have to have an escargot. Most of us order the filet mignon with the short rib. It's pretty good. It looks nice. Dan asked for the steak, and then he said, you know what? Linguine Alfredo. They brought two of them. It's right here.
Thank you so much.
You know, I just tried it, and that linguine is better than the filet. Yeah, he made the right choice.
Devoured.
Oh, we can tell.
Happy wife, happy life. What a blessing. This was another great dinner at sea.
Come on, one more time. Let's clap your hands together now.
Caroline. In case you're counting, we have only found one tiny duck so far. I had this chocolate molten cake, and Rosa had the souffle. Oh, nice. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and please subscribe. We usually go back to the cabin to change on elegant night. We like to be comfortable for the shows. Love and marriage.
Have one without the other. Love and marriage, love and marriage.
This show is always so funny. It's a great time. Don't miss it.
Celebration family, come on, make some noise as we welcome your host. It is Joey Boy.
Welcome to the Grand Spectrum Theatre. Welcome to the Love and Marriage Show. The first couple we are going to be looking for is a brand new newlywed couple. If you are a newlywed couple, stand up. You are stood up on your own, my darling. Who are you with? How long have you been married?
A little over a year.
How long have you been married? 2 weeks. Come on down. Thrilled to be involved in this. This chair here, this is for a couple who's done some serious hard time. Is anyone in the room longer than 50 years? 53 years. How many? 57. We always go for our longest. Would you like to come and play 57 years? Yes, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming. All right, unbelievable. 57 years and she can still get him up.
What?
Out of the seat, grow up. If you've been married between 2 weeks and 57 years and you want to play along, stand up right now with your partner. Stand up right now, stand up right now. Traditionally, we do a Tarzan or Jane mating call. But I will say this, if you have come in here with somebody that you are not married to, and you've said to each other, I've seen this show before, we can absolutely kill it, it's going to be hilarious, let's just be crazy, I guarantee you, you are in a room full of married people, they will work you out in about 7 seconds. So don't do it. The only thing, you have to be married. You don't necessarily have to be in love, but you do have to be married. Here we go.
What?
All right, couple number 2 here. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, go. Oh.
Guys, this is just a game, but I have seen some couples really get mad at each other for the rest of the cruise. That would be a costly mistake. You gotta be careful.
We've got 3 fabulous couples here. From this point forward, no conferring with your significant other.
Now pay attention, you don't wanna mess this up. I'll give you the right answers.
And we're gonna have some fun. The first question is this: where and when did you first meet? Online? Match.com? I don't know.
This one is safe. Just tell the truth.
Just write the decade or something like that. I don't know. Rate your first kiss out of 10.
Always go with 10. 10.
Wives. Write down the name of your husband's ex-partner before he made the correct decision to marry you. We're already writing down here, D. Wow. Clearly, 57 years is not enough to drop a grudge. D, you go for it, girl. Come on, D. All right, John, you're going to write down the name of your ex. And if you can't remember it, that's okay. But please know, she does.
This one is tricky. Newlyweds, just tell the truth. Older guys, I don't remember. It's been 57 years.
How are we doing over here? Ronald, you good? Yeah? Happy? Yeah? Give us a smile. Perfect. Just get a bit nervous. Husbands, you are on vacation on a magical desert island. You're under a palm tree with a cold beer in your hand. You are on vacation with your beautiful wife and every single member of her family. Disaster hits. The lifeboats come to save you from the island. There's not enough room for everyone. Who are you leaving behind?
Oh, no. Do not answer that.
So serious.
This is an atomic bomb. If you answer this question, you'll regret it for the rest of your life. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Wives, finish the sentence. I wish my husband would stop. What? We asked this question and there was a bit of a barrier in the language department between my Northern English accent and their accent, right? And she wrote down breathing. And I was like, breathing? She was like, yeah. And I was like, so does he breathe really loud? Or like, is it like a distracting? She said, no, just breathing. just wanted him to die instantly is what she wanted. See, as we're talking hypothetical, you wake up tomorrow with a magical power. You can make something bigger and you can make something smaller. So what would you make bigger and what would you make smaller on the person sat behind you?
This question is super dangerous. Avoid it at all costs.
I mean, if you put him on the seat, just write a list, top 5 there. Tommy understood the mission straight away. We're going back to your wedding night, okay? Your first night as man and wife. Were you there? What's going on? All your friends and family have drank your free booze and eaten your free food. You go back to your bedroom on your wedding night. There is an NFL referee in your bedroom on your wedding night. Looks just like that guy who made that noise up there. What penalty call would an NFL referee make in your bedroom on your wedding night? You don't like sports? That doesn't surprise me that you don't like anything, Ronald. You seem quite angry at me at the moment. We will be friends by the end of this. Just write a play-by-play of what happened on your wedding night. Chelsea's laughing, we're all good. We're all good.
Oh my God.
It could be, I don't know, it could be something cute. Some people write like holding, that's cute. Unnecessary roughness, that is strange, sir. And if your wife is in the room, are you okay? Blink 3 times if you need help. We can help you. We can help you. Could be that. It shouldn't be, but it could be. These two were married in the 60s. Could be too many men on the field. Targeted. Wow, okay. Touchdown, baby. Intentional grounding. Who said backfield in motion? You playing for the Cleveland Browns? What's going on? Shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said that. Wives, you're in the grocery store. It could be Target, Costco, could be anything. It could be, there's one I always think is made up in America. People tell me it's real. I don't believe them. Wiggledy Piggledy. What's it called? Piggly Wiggly. Higgledy Piggledy. What's it? It's just the most ridiculous name in the world. It could be that one. K. Roger, you know that one? Kroger, yeah. And I've been with my partner for 7 years. And for the first 3 years of my life with her, she let me believe that Kroger was called K. Roger. For 3 years. I was getting in taxis, like cabs, going, just a K. Roger, please, sir. Stupid Englishman, wasn't he? All right, so you're in the grocery store. What do you see, wives, in the grocery store that best reminds you of your husband's... Oh, Dee's already drawing pictures. Come on, Dee.
This one's fine, just go ahead, have fun.
Little Johnny. Lie down. Now, I'm a gentleman. There's certain things that I will not and cannot say on stage. But please know, we are not talking about ice cream, okay? I would like you to write down the craziest place you've ever had ice cream. All right? John, I need you to lock in with me, John. Are you imagining it? Because you've gone like glassy-eyed. Dee, you know what we're talking about? You know what we're talking about? Ice cream. We're talking about slap and tickle. The horizontal hoedown. The no pants dance. Stuff in the muff. I could go all day with these, mate. Yeah, that was a bubble laugh. Oh, yes, John, you are my hero.
Hey, sorry guys, I didn't record any of the answers they gave because you know they get a little personal, and yeah, no, I don't want to do that. You're gonna have to come yourself and watch this show. Don't miss it.
If you could give our first couple 2 weeks, our middle couple 8 years, if you could give them some advice to last as long as you two have, what would it be?
Always be sweet to each other and agree with everything that you can.
Absolutely beautiful. Now, Dee.
Ignore.
There are so many different ways to take that. Give each other a kiss to seal the game. And we've got prizes for you all. Congratulations, you two. I wish you a lifetime of happiness. And stay off my decks, please. We'll be doing this again at 9:45. Different couples, different questions. We will see you then. Cheerio!
Brian, Melanie, Rosa, and I decided to come to Celestial Strings. It's a little bit late, but here's where we are. The center stage just doesn't have enough good seats, so you have to come in 20-30 minutes before the show. I will explain it better in a different video. But for now, this was my view. Not great. We're really late. This is a very popular show on the Carnival Celebration, but most of the music is just the track. So as a musician, I think it falls a little bit short. I don't know, just my opinion. It was good. Yeah, this was a good show. You should watch this for sure. Yes. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. We're gonna call it the night, but first, midnight pizza. It's not midnight, but we call it midnight pizza. It's bedtime. So at 10 at night, this is the line right here. It moves really fast because they assist you. They give you 2 slices, whether it's pepperoni or cheese. It moves really, really fast. You see they have 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 people making pizzas right now. Very quickly, very efficient. And they're good. They hand them out.
Picadillo ground beef?
They have some kind of special pizza over there. We just want cheese pizza, right? Cheese.
Full cheese.
Cheese pizza.
Full cheese.
Yes. Oh, they gave me 4 cheese. We want just a normal cheese pizza, or you want pepperoni?
I want pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
But
Okay.
you got the cheese you wanted.
Yeah, but this is white. Why is it white?
Regular cheese margarita?
You're right. You might just have cheese there. I don't know.
Where's the cheese? Like, where's the sauce? So I had to exchange it to the actual one that I wanted, which is cheese. I don't know what that other one is.
I'm gonna try this.
Are you trying it?
I'm gonna try it. Yeah.
Huh?
I'm guessing it's a garlic sauce
It's a garlic sauce?
or it's straight cheese.
Mhm.
Let's see here. I think it's a garlic sauce.
Or we made that up. Who cares? We don't want it. Who's gonna eat this now? Okay, yeah, she wasn't gonna like that one. Because Rosa is the one who wants cheese. Anyways, we're gonna have some coffee and then we're gonna head home. A little bit of coffee. Don't worry, it'll be okay. Not too much. We'll get some cream here. Put a spoon right here. Couple of these. Trash. Stir. This goes here. And we're ready to go. Coffee and pizza. And with that, I'm Javier. This is Best at Sea. And I'll see you later.